students, today I will teach you the MS Office and its part. MS Office MS Office is for the office automation. It has 4 parts: MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, and many more. But you have to cover this 4 section in your syllabus. First of all, I am going to teach you MS Word. Which I have already opened in this section. Here you will get the MS Office logo, in which you have to create again. If you want to create again new file, then press new and press create. It will give you a new file, but I don't want to use this one because I have already opened my file. So here again you press the Office logo and press save, in which you have to write MS Word and save. Now learn the menus of MS Word, different menu of MS Word. Again, if you press the Office button and press the Save As, then it will again give you to save same file from different name, or that is a backup file. Press Save. It will again save from different name, that is MS Word Try B. Now press the Home menu. There are several menus in Word: Home, Insert, Page Layout, Reference, Mailing, Review, View and Developer. First of all, I will teach you the Home menu. In Home menu, to use the Home menu, you select something like MS Word and press Home. Then press Cut. Cut means you are taking that some portion in a clipboard, and when you press the paste, then it will again come back from the clipboard. Clipboard is the small place where we store the current information for some time. Now press Home and select MS Word and press Home and press Copy. When you copy the content and press Home and press Paste, then it will copy the same content again and duplicate it. Now here I don't want it, so I select it and press the Delete. Delete will remove your duplicate copy, and then you select the information and go to the Insert menu, go to the Home menu and press Font Color. This will change your MS Word in a red color. Now press Format Painter and select any line, then it will also become a red. That means Format Painter take the format from line which you have selected previously and then copy it into another line or another selected portion and convert it into the red. Now press home menu and select the information first and press home menu and then press font size. You can change your size into 72 point. That means the size of the paint word has changed. Now same way you can reduce your size in a smaller one, but because I want to make it a heading, so I have taken 22 and then I select the center alignment of the line. MS Word come into the center. Now you can make it bold or you can make it italic or you can use underline for the heading. MS Word have several menus which I have already seen here, that is home, insert, page, layout, reference, mailing, review, view and developer. Need not to write it again, and then in home menu you select, suppose you want to write some chemical or semi-chemical or mathematical formula, then change the font to normal size 12 and change the alignment justify. Here but I want to change the alignment justify because justify means the alignment of the text from left to right is same. Means whatever you write it will adjust in the page. Write X and now you want to make a superscript. So press this one and write 2 because you want to write x square. Now again press it again and now you want to write x2. Here 2 must be a subscript. So press this one and write 2. Again home and select subscript to come on the normal mode. Again you want to highlight your information. So select it and press home and highlight it. You want to change the font color. So you select it and select this one. It will change the font color. Again, you want to make the bullets. A bullet is the symbol which you use with a different point of your text, like this one. Press any one, you will get the symbol before it. It helps to make the index in your books or in your chapter. Suppose X2 is the one heading and you want subheading in it, then write Y. come in normal mode, write A again. Again B. See, any number of point you can make. It can be a number or can be a symbol or can be alphabet or can be a Roman numbers. Whatever you want, you can select. Indentation. Indentation means you shift your text but whatever you want to shift. Like you want to shift it 8 character, so press the tab key and get indentation, or either you press this one, it will shift to the right hand side, and when you press this one then you will shift the text on left hand side. Now press this symbol. This symbol means this symbol shows to enter key. When you press this symbol, it will show the enter key symbol, and when you press the space bar, then it will show a dot 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 to show the space symbol. Now you want to put your heading into the box. Press home key and select this one and then select outside border. It will give the border or heading border. Either you can select several lines and keep it into the box. You can even fill the color in the box. Now you want the spacing between the different lines. So press home and select this one. Remove space after paragraph. Then space will gone. And when you select space between lines, then it will select the spacing between the lines. You can increase your lines, you can decrease your line spacing, and so on. Next menu is the style of the different text type, which when you select, then it will configure the selected data according to it. Home style. Okay. And then change style. Here you can change color, font. There are different type of font which you can use with your text, and you can configure it or format it according to your requirement. Style set, manuscript, formal, traditional, that's all. Distinct, elegant, different type of style set. You can set your style according to your requirement, or in project you can decorate your information. Next is the find. Find means you have to find some words. Press MS and find next. Again and again it will find MS in your text. Clear? Then in home there is a replace. Replace means you want to change the MS from Microsoft replace. then it will replace MS to Microsoft or replace all. Yes, then it will replace all four texts MS to MS Soft, Microsoft. Okay, from home now select. Select all means you are selecting whole text. Home, select again, select object. For that you require any picture or any text what you want to select. Select object, then you set, I will select this one, then it will only select the fourth point. This way you can learn whole the home menu today. Next day I will tell you the insert menu. Bye bye.